Russian Shahed intercepted by Ukrainian interceptor drone. In a stunning display of aerial precision, a small FPV interceptor maneuvers to take down a much larger long-range munition. Watch as the Ukrainian pilot matches the speed and altitude of the Shahed 136. These interceptors are becoming a cost-effective alternative to expensive surface-to-air missiles. The drone aims for the engine or control surfaces. By using a kinetic impact or a small directional charge, the interceptor effectively neutralizes the Shahed before it reaches its target. As the Shahed tumbles out of the sky, the era of autonomous dogfights reaches a new level. Is this the end of slow-moving loitering munitions?